My dear learners and listeners, welcome to my channel Pioneer English Learning. Today I am going to discuss about sentence pattern 13 for learning spoken English. Under this heading I am going to talk about the phrase let alone. It means not to mention. বাংলায় অর্থ হলো দূরের কথা. Now come to the example number 1. You cannot ride a bicycle let alone a motorcycle. Motorcycle তো দূরের কথা, তুমি একটা সাইকেলও চালাতে পারো না. Number 2. His son cannot run half a kilometer let alone a marathon. ম্যারাথন তো দূরের কথা, তার ছেলে হাফ কিলোমিটারও দৌড়তে পারে না. Number 3, the girl cannot make a piece of bread, let alone a Mughlai parota. Mughlai parota to dure kotha, মেয়েটি এক টুকরো রুটিও বানাতে পারে না. Now come to the point. Let alone, this phrase needs to be explained. Number 1. This phrase is used as a linker in the sentences. Number 2, it is an idiomatic expression. Number 3, it is used after the first sentence. Now come to the structure. Structure is subject plus cannot plus easy task plus let alone plus hard task. If you follow this structure, you can make a lot of such type of sentences. Here I am ending. If you like it, share it, subscribe it. Thank you all.